Hi everyone, Prince here, and for today's video, pag-uusapan natin paano i-install ang Anaconda Data Science Platform. Ang una natin kailangan gawin ay buksan ang browser at pumunta tayo sa anaconda.com. Okay, once you're here, click Get Started and then download Anaconda installers. Since we're using MacOS, ang gagawin natin ay install the 64-bit graphical installer. Okay. This will download for a while kasi 440 megabytes. Okay, now na na-download nyo na, double-click the file, allow, continue, agree. Install for me only, okay? Install. So it's going to take a while to install. Okay, we now finished installing it. Let's click continue, close. And then move to trash. So we're just moving naman yung Anaconda installer to trash. Ngayon, nasa na ang ating app? Ito. Click it. Let's place it sa keep in dock. It's taking a while. Alright. Ngayon, pag binuksan nyo, ganito ang itsura. Now, for our purposes, ang i-focus lang natin dito ay ang Jupyter Notebook. Let's try it. Launch natin ang Jupyter Notebook. Yan, maglo-load yan sa terminal. Okay, mag-o-open ng browser and mapapansin nyo na ganito ang itsura niya. So, yan. Diyan ka na pwede mag-create ng folders, files, or a Python 3 notebook. But of course, that's for another video.